What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Ryan Band's checking in, and today I made over 1,400 bucks on AMD calls today. And without further ado, I'm not bragging. I want to show you how it's possible. I did this trade before 9 o'clock, and I feel like it's possible. Like, who am I? I'm like just like you. You know what I'm saying? Let me go ahead and share my screen and show you how it is possible, right? So first and foremost, let me go ahead and move this. All right, so this app right here, it is called TradingView, which is right here, tradingview.com. This is the best site to go to look at different companies' price, different stock fluctuations. So go tap into that, right? So before you get into any trade, right, let me go ahead and even break down what the trades that I do. So I'm an options trader, right? So with options trading, you're gonna have two different things, right? You're gonna have calls and you're gonna have puts. Calls bet that the market is gonna go up in price, and puts bet that a company is gonna drop in price. So you're making money as a company is dropping in price. Yes, it's possible. Okay. So now, before you enter any trade or start your trading day, I want you to do these three things, right? First things first, I want you to first create a watch list of which trades you're going to be looking at for the day. See, in my chat, I have a daily live call that I host every single day at 8:30, and I post the top 5 or 6 stocks I'm watching every single day. So now that's the first thing. Now, number two, this is very, very important. Right? Definitely write this down. I want you to go ahead and plot up your pre-market highs, which is right up here, and your pre-market lows, which is right here. Now, what is pre-market? It is exactly what it sounds like. It is the market fluctuations before the active market begins, right? So this whole entire yellow area, this is pre-market. Now, on your trading view, if this is your first time opening opening trading view, go ahead and go to the bottom right corner right here. This is exactly what your chart will look like, right? It'll look like this, pretty plain. So go ahead and hit the bottom right corner where it says RTH, click that and click on extended trading hours. This will give you more intel and more insight on pre-market levels and more information. Boom. Now you are ready to get in the markets, right? So now let me go ahead and show you guys how this trade was made. I mean, everyone wants to hear the game, but how is the money made, right? All right, let me show you. So this right here, as you guys can see, is my pre-market low level. Let me go ahead and turn this like blue so you can kind of distinguish it, right? So AMD came down here to this pre-market low level, right? Get my circle. Right here, we hit the pre-market low level right here, right? Now, the best thing about why this is important is we hit this level right here, which is pre-market lows, right? And a lot of people are looking at this trade thinking that we're going to go to the downside, right? But if you notice that we just now built a pretty impressive candle right here. Let me go ahead and circle it so I can go ahead and show you what I'm talking about, right? So this candle that we created right here, I'm gonna put it in blue. This is what you call a hammer candle. And let me show you what a hammer candle looks like, right? This right here is a hammer candle. If you're in a downtrending market and you have a hammer candle, this is going to pose as a reversal in price. So you're going down, this is going to be a very bullish indication, which is going to give you a buy signal, right? So because I seen this hammer candle, not only was it a hammer candle, but it's also here at pre-market lows. And also right now, it is October 10th, 2023. We're in a war right now, right? So a lot of people are believing that the market is going to be dropping in price because of the war, right? So because the masses believe that, the banks, they want to take the masses' money. So you have to think like the banks to make money like the banks, like JP Morgan, Wells Fargo, everybody, right? Because they're making a lot of money off of retail traders, right? So because of that reason, I believed in the morning that we will see an upside move in the market, which we actually did, right? So I basically opened up my trade here at pre-market lows, and my target was pre-market highs. I'm going to actually show you guys my risk to reward. If you know what that means, it's basically showing you how much you're risking, so then how much you're gaining, right? So basically in the market, you're going to have three different things. And let me slow down so y'all can go ahead and, have the whole information digested, right? So you have three different things. You're going to have your entry, your exit, and your stop loss. Ryan, what's a stop loss? A stop loss essentially is your margin of error. So if you have a stop loss of, for example, 15%, right? Let's say I put $100 into a trade. If the trade decreases by $15, which now I'm going to be at $85, you're going to immediately be out the trade, stopped out, done. Cool. This keeps you very accountable on your money, on your cash flow, so you can actually control how much money you're making and how much you're losing, right? Some people, they lose a lot of money in the market because you don't have good risk management parameters. You don't have books, you don't have mentors, you don't have accountability, you don't have a community, right? This is what I do. So we entered this trade here at pre-market lows. The target was pre-market highs. We hit pre-market highs in 6 minutes. So let me go ahead and show you why. We entered this trade here on AMD call. See, I call out all my trades for all my students in the link below in my description. I called it out here at 8:37, right? And by 8:43, we're up 34% for over 1.4K on the day, right? So this is a 6-minute trade. So I used to work for 1,400 bucks. I used to make this shit in like, bro, more than 2 weeks. Now I'm making it in 6 minutes. I'm 22 years old. I feel like it's very possible, right? So, you know, from here, not only am I making money in my church, right? My whole entire community is making a bag, as you can see. Dude, today he made 130, he made 18%, 210, he made 2.9K. Like the list just goes on and on and on, right? And where I'm going with this is, if you want to get into the world of investing, I highly recommend you to get into a community, right? Because you can have accountability, you can have camaraderie, you can have people around you who are on your same journey. And so with the same trade right here, it's literally still going up to this point, right? But what I preach in my chat is I want people to make their money, go to the gym, get your mind right, relax, just go spend time with yourself and do what you want to do. Because you don't want to be in front of the screen all day, right? Like you want to make your money and go. And a big part about what I do in my chat, I really preach different things besides just trading and making money, right? I'm big on actually keeping the money, right? So I withdraw from my account once a week. So on the 5th of last week, I basically withdrew 5,000 on my account. I withdrew another 5,000 before that. Like, I mean, not even to brag or just, I mean, I hate speaking about numbers, honestly. I don't even want to show y'all this. I feel like some people, they're not really truthful in their trades, right? They don't show you what they're actually withdrawing, if they even are, right? I want to show you that the person that you're learning from today, I plan on having more videos continuously this month, this quarter, maybe even 2 videos plus a week. If y'all show this video enough love, comment, have good likes below. Like, go ahead and actually hit the like button below, hit the subscribe button, and I want to see some more feedback, because if I do, I'll put some more free game out for you guys. Continue to keep on putting gems, because I feel like if you're watching this video right now and you're in your 20s, you deserve freedom. Like, you deserve to have a good income stream. You deserve to have a community of people that are all after the same thing, because your network is your net worth, right? And in my community, what I have for my mentees, it's pretty fucking fire. And I'll show you a quick testimonial briefly.
What's going on, everyone? This is a testimonial video for Ryan. I'm currently one of his mentees. What's going on, everyone? This is a testimonial video for Ryan. I'm currently one of his mentees. And
I'm sorry, before I let this run, this right here is one of my top students, Jose, right? He had an Amazon FBA business and he's making like 100K plus a year, right? He was doing amazing. For some reason, Amazon shut down his whole operation. So he basically wasn't even able to keep doing what he wants to be doing, right? So he hit me up and said, "Hey, Ryan, I'm trying to do your program for mentorship. I don't know anything in my stocks, but I want you to help me out here," right? So let's go ahead and see what he's saying now.
The 2-month summer program. I'm coming from a background where I knew about stocks, but not too much. And ever since I hopped on a call with Ryan and ended up booking the mentorship program with him, I think it's one of the best decisions that I've done in the last couple of months. He's very good at what he does. Not only does he help you elevate and help you learn trading, but he's there to help you elevate physically, gym, mentally, and just in life in general. He's always trying to bring everyone up. It's not just about trading. He's always there for the 1v1 cause. He's there to answer your questions. He's there to make sure you understand the information he's providing for you. And then you just have access to him. You can shoot him a text, you could book a call, which is one of the biggest things in my perspective when I'm looking for a mentor. If you have the chance, I highly recommend you invest yourself and time into Ryan. He's definitely a good leader and knows what he's doing.
Yeah, man. So this is one of my top students right here. And of course, it sounds really good. It sounds nice, but Ryan, I know some of y'all wondering, hey, Ryan, how much cash is this guy making, right? It's me too. I'm just like you, right? I mean, everything sounds good, but how much money is this guy actually making, right? Let me go ahead and show you what he said just 2 months into my program.
The last 2 weeks were fucking up. So like I went back and I set up my rules and just from top to bottom, just get straight. So like I said, this honestly this week, dude, I hit this morning, I think yesterday this morning, bro, 5K, 10 a week. So it's all like I think I just need I don't know, bro. Everything like I said, bro, I just rearranged myself and got right. So like I think right now it's just keep pushing, keep doing what I'm doing, keep learning, from any of my mistakes.
Yeah, man. Hey, I don't have much more to say, man. Look, I feel like the ball is now in your court. It is fourth quarter. This is the time to step up to the plate. This is the time to go make a move for yourself, for your future self, right? I'm gonna show you just now. I was in Jamaica, right? I know you see the T, right? I put like
right
100.
So
Listen, I put $190 into an account, into one of my challenge accounts, right? Just to literally play with it, right? Just to see what happened. And I want you to go ahead and see what happened over the course of 5 days in my account. Let's go ahead and roll this clip right quick.
I put $190 into an account, right? In Jamaica on vacation, I have now flipped it to 5.6K. And the reason why I'm making this video is I'm starting up a brand new small account challenge, helping the everyday person get to a bag and get started trading.
It's like, yo, there's a lot of things that people can show you, but one of them sometimes is not receipts. Like, I'm gonna be real. A lot of people that trade nowadays, they'll show you this, they'll show you that. But one thing that I want to see being a trader now, almost 4 years, I want to see one, how many people are you actually helping? Two, how much money are you actually bringing back into your banking account? That's very important. Three, are you actually coaching people? Are you giving them game? Like, not to even just brag, this is the last thing I'll kind of show you guys, but in my program as well, I have a bunch of replays of classes that I hosted, right? Some of these classes are literally 2 hours, 1 hour, 30 minutes, whatever the case is, but I'm giving you guys real deal game on information that was going to change your life. So with that being said, I'm gonna be having a lot more free game and free videos for you guys dropping here fairly shortly. So if you guys want to stay tuned and see some more game, learn some more about trading, go ahead and comment below in the comment box. Let me know a one, or matter of fact, let me know 3 things that y'all meant to go ahead and cover on YouTube. I'm putting a lot of free game. I feel like you guys deserve this shit, man. Life is so good. God is good because I'm able to not just make money, but to have the freedom to do what you want to do. It feels amazing, man. So without further ado, I'll see you on the other side. Y'all take care. Peace out.